Today I'll show you how to remove draft campaigns from Google Ads. Draft campaigns can appear when you start creating a campaign but do not finish publishing it. Removing them helps keep your Google Ads account clean and makes it easier to focus only on active, paused, or completed campaigns. First, open Google Ads and log into your account. From the left menu, click Campaigns. Now look for your campaign list. If you do not see the draft campaign right away, check the status filter at the top of the table. Open the filter and make sure draft campaigns are included in the view. You can also search for the campaign name if you remember what it was called. Once you find the draft campaign, select the checkbox next to it. Now look for the Edit option at the top of the campaign table. Click Edit. From the drop-down menu, choose Remove. Google Ads may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the selected campaign. Review the campaign name carefully so you do not remove the wrong one. Then confirm the removal. The draft campaign should now disappear from your main campaign list or show as removed depending on your filters. If you are inside the campaign setup screen and have not published it yet, look for an option like Discard Draft, Exit, or Delete Draft. Click that option to cancel the unfinished campaign setup. If you cannot remove the draft, refresh Google Ads. Check your account permissions, or make sure you are not viewing a shared draft from another user. And that's it. You've successfully removed draft campaigns from Google Ads. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.